Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's jump on to the today's problem of the day. So in this problem we have given two strings, one is text and another one is pattern. We have to find the pattern inside the text, right? So in that case, let's check out this input. So we have birthday and pattern as birth. So we have to find the birth inside this text, okay? So we can see that birth is present at the first position, so we can return as one only. We don't have another birth inside this text, okay? So let's check out that another input. So we have text as gigs for gigs and pattern as gig. So we have to find the gig inside this text. So we can see at the first position we have gig and another gig is present at the ninth position maybe. So we have written 1 and 9, right? So this is a like super simple question. Let's check how we can solve it. Okay. So the very naive approach is we can go to all the positions. We will take the substring of that length of the pattern, and I will check if it is equals to that pattern or not. And if it is equal, I will add it in the array list. And if it is not equal, I won't do anything, and I can finally I will return that array list. Okay. So that is pretty simple. Let us try to try run in this example. So for this example, what I will do, I will iterate through this text. First of all, I will go to first position. I will take one substring of length 4. I will check if it is equal to big or not. It is equal, so I will take this position in our answer array. Next, what I will do, I will go to next position. I will take the substring of length pattern. I will check if it is equals to the pattern or not. If it is not present, I won't do anything. Similarly, I will come here and I will check if it is equal to geek or not. It is equal, so I will take the position of this one and I will store it in the array list. Okay, and finally I will return the array list. So that is a pretty simple thing. Let us try to code this one. So I have to iterate over the text, right? So I will get it one loop for int equals to 0. I will certain text dot length. Or let me find the length here. N equals to text dot length. Maybe so I can write I lesser than n and I plus plus what I want a substring of length pattern. So what is the length of the pattern? Let me write it, pattern dot length. Okay, so I want the substring of length pattern starting from I. Okay, so what I can write, text dot substring starting from I up to I plus m of length m. Okay, that is clear. So let me store this. That will give that for I equals to 0 here. This will give me gigs. Okay, this will give us gig. Okay, so one more thing I have to keep in mind, that I plus m should not go beyond the length of the text. So I can write I plus m, but it can go up to length n. Okay, that is fine. Next, what I will do, I will check if our temp is equals to that pattern. If it is equals to the pattern, I will store this in a array list. Okay, so for this I will create one array list of integer. Let's say answer equals to new array list new array list of new array list. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now what I will do, I will store this index in the answer. So I will store I plus 1 in the answer array. Why I plus 1? Because we have to return one based indexing, right? So now what I will do, I will just return, once that loop is completed, I will return the answer. Let us try to compile and run this one. Okay, answer. Okay, answer.add we have to. Okay, so it is compiling fine. Let us try to submit it. Okay, we are getting the time limit exceeded. Well, let us analyze this. So we can see I'm going for all the indexes and I am checking that is equals to birth or not. So the time complexity is n cross n. So the length of the text into the length of the pattern. Okay, so if you see the constraints, we have the text size as 5 cross 10 to the power 5, and the pattern size would be equals to that text dot size, So that is 5 cross 10 to the power 5. So the complexity will go 25 cross n cross m will go to 25 cross 10 to the power 10, right? So but that is greater than equals to 10 to the power 8. That is that will take more than 1 second. So we have to optimize this code, right? So what we will use, we can let me quickly jump into the whiteboard, then I will explain. So first of all, I will create one hash formula. So the hash formula will be, for a it will be 0, for b it will be 1, and similarly for z it will be 25. Okay, then what I will do, I will calculate the hash sum of that pattern. Okay, so the hash sum will be, the for b it is 1, for a that is 0, and again for b it is 1. So the sum came out to be 2. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go to that text and I will take a window size of the pattern. Okay, so for in this case our window will be a b b, and I will try to calculate the hash sum of this window. So in that case, the our hash sum will be 2, right? Because for A it is 0, for B it is 1, and for another B it is 1. So this is a match, okay? So the hash sum of the pattern and hash sum of that window is equals. So I will check if both that string is equal or not. So in that case it is ABB, in that case BAB, so it is not matching. So I will increase the window. I will take another window. So in another window, if we calculate the hash sum, it is 1 1 plus 2, that is 4. So this is not matching. This is not matching. That hash sum is not equal for the pattern and this window. So I will again move my window to the next position. Okay. So now we can see that hash sum is that 0 plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. Again, it is not matching. Again, I will increase my window size. Okay. Sorry, my window. I will slide my window. Okay. So now this is CAB. Again, what is the has sum of this one? So we can see again it is 3. So again I will move my window to the next. Again I will slide my window. Okay. So now our window is ABA. So I will calculate the hash sum. In that case, our hash sum is 1. That is again it is not matching with the pattern. Pattern hash sum. So again I will move my window. So now it is BAB. So if I will check that hash sum is equals to 2, and it is matching with our pattern has some. So I will check if BAB is equals to that pattern, and yes, that is equal. So I will store this position, and finally I will return the array list. Okay. So basically now while sliding the window, what I will do from here, if I slide to here, so what I will do, I will just in the from that sum I will remove the hash value of A, and I will add the hash value of C, right? So so let us try to write the code. That is pretty simple. So first of all, I have to calculate the hash sum of that pattern, right? So let us try to do this one first. Let me reset this. So first of all, I will create one sum variable, okay? And I will iterate over the pattern for int equals to 0, I lesser than pattern dot length, and I plus plus. I will take all the characters. So the character will be the pattern dot caret I, and I will subtract a from this. So I will get the hash int hash. I will get the hash, and what I will do, I will just sum that has in our sum. Okay, so I will get the final sum of that pattern. Okay, that is fine. Now what I will do? I will take a window of size 3. Okay, and I will calculate the sum of that window. Okay, so what I'm going to do for, I will create one more for loop for int equals to 0. Okay, so first of all, I'm calculating this the sum for that ABB, right? So I should be lesser than pad dot length, and I plus plus. What I will do, I will take the character. The character will be the text dot caret I. Text dot caret I will subtract from A, so I will get the hash code, and I will create one more variable into, let's say, sum2. Okay, and I will just add that in that sum2 variable, so that I will get the complete sum. Okay, and that is fine. After that, what I will do, I will create what I will just create two start point and end point. Okay, so our start point will be 0, our end point will be pattern dot length minus 1, and that is fine, right? And I will go up to the end, didn't reaches the text dot length. Okay, text dot length, right? Sorry, it should be lesser than, until the end is lesser than text dot length. I will go, and what I will do, I will first of all check if our sum is equals to sum 2. If sum is equals to sum 2, then that mean I got that position. So what I will do, I will create one array list. Array list of integer answer equals to new array list. So if sum equals to sum 2, then what we have to do, if in that case we have to check if that is that both the strings are equal or not. Okay, so I will check if our that pattern dot equals I will take the substring from the text dot substring, text dot substring from start to end, for taking end also we have to do end plus 1. Okay, so if it is equal, then I will store the start position. start position but plus one because it is one best indexing. That is fine. If that sum is not equals, then we don't have to do anything. Now what I will do, I will increase the start. But before increasing the start, I will decrease the sum two value. Sum two equals to sum two minus and that as value of that start position. So it will be the text dot character at start minus a. Okay, that is pretty simple. Then I will increase the start position. Okay, similarly I will increase the end position, and I will increase the sum two equals to sum2 plus sum2 plus character at end, and we will subtract minus a to get the hash. Okay, so this is pretty simple. Finally I will return the answer. Okay, let us try to compile this. Okay, caret at line number 13 we have some printing mistake. Mm-mm. Index out of bound at line number 45, so line number 28, txt dot caret end. Okay, we have to check if end is not going beyond the length. Okay, so if end is lesser than text dot length, then only we can find this one. Otherwise we can break. Otherwise we can break. Okay. Mm-mm. txt line number 28. This should be text txt. So it is compiling and running fine. Let us try to submit it. So it got submitted also. So I hope you will understand this question. Thank you.